Have you ever gotten a raise, checked your new paycheck, and thought, finally, this is the income level where I'll stop feeling broke? And then 6 months later, somehow you're wondering where all the extra money went? Because the reality is, a lot of people don't have an income problem. They have a money division problem. If you're someone who's trying to make your money actually stay in your bank account, hit the subscribe button and give this video a thumbs up if this helps you out. Here's the thing. Every time your income increases by $10,000, your instinct is to spend all $10,000. That's exactly how lifestyle inflation traps people. So here's a better rule. For every extra $10,000 you earn, spend $5,000 improving your life. Get the nicer apartment, travel more, upgrade your quality of life a little, because money should improve your life. Take $3,000 and invest it. Index funds, retirement accounts, assets that grow while you sleep. And put the remaining $2,000 toward buying freedom. Pay off debt, build your emergency fund, create breathing room. Because here's what most people don't realize. Financial stress usually isn't caused by a lack of income. It's caused by a lack of margin. This is where it gets really interesting. The people who become wealthy aren't necessarily the people who earn the most. They're the people who refuse to let their spending rise as fast as their income. Now you might be thinking, I don't make enough money to do this. Look, even if you're working with an extra $1,000 instead of $10,000, the principle stays the same. Divide every raise before your lifestyle claims it. Because if you don't tell your money where to go, your expenses will do it for you. And that one habit can completely change your financial future.